Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So for this video, the government denies a white farmer to water his crops. So you have to delve into this article a little bit more to understand. I don't think the headline is quite fair and accurate, but the fact does remain that the Department of Water did actually deny this white farmer from using excess water. So I'll share with you the details a little bit more, but before I just want to say this is most possibly one of the worst cases of racism in South Africa. So if you go read this article, you'll see that these are two farmers, a white farmer and a black farmer, that live next to each other. The black farmer has got certain water rights, and obviously he is not using all of his water, and it seems like that the white farmer and the black farmer's relationship is fairly good. So the black farmer decided that all of the excess water that he is not using on his specific farm, he will then allocate towards the white farmer. Now, this is not a new thing in South Africa. Obviously these two farmers made some of an agreement or an arrangement for the excess water from the black farmer to be used by the white farmer. Now, typically of white South Africans and most South Africans, these farmers went and they actually applied for this deal of sharing the water to be legalized within Department of Water Affairs. And then Department of Water Affairs then decided, because of the fact that the excess water needs to go to a white farmer, that this is not legal, and they did actually not grant this permission to the white farmer. So in the meantime, organizations like AfriForum and SAI will be fighting this in court, because part of the 1998 Water Act is that water needs to be distributed in such a way that it is used to its maximum capacity, and that it is to be used as much and as effective as possible, so not to waste anything that it actually contributes towards the economy. So it is very clear that we can see that the white farmer and the black farmer has on the ground has got no issues with each other, but it is very clear that the government and government departments of South Africa has got a big massive race block on their shoulders, and they are wanting to push the race thing in every category and every single industry within South Africa. Absolutely crazy. And as a farmer, I can tell you, every farm knows how much water it uses, and obviously this black farmer did not use all the water, so he decided to make a deal with the white farmer so that he can actually use the rest of the excess water. So absolutely ridiculous. In 2025, where we are a net importer of food in South Africa, where we need every single farmer to produce and be productive, we still have a government that the farmers need to fight in order to actually farm properly. Absolutely crazy. Guys, please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.